What is the fastest land animal? C. Cheetah. Which bird is known for its distinctive call that sounds like laughter? B. Kookaburra. What is the largest mammal on Earth? A. Blue whale. Which animal has the longest migration route? C. Arctic tern. What is the smallest bird in the world? D. Bee hummingbird. Which animal has the strongest bite force? A. Saltwater crocodile. What is the fastest swimming fish? C. Sailfish. Which bird is known for its dance? A. Peacock. What is the largest reptile on Earth? B. Saltwater crocodile. Which animal has the longest gestation period? A. African elephant. What is the smallest mammal in the world? D. Bumblebee bat. Which bird is known for its ability to mimic human speech? C. Parrot. What is the fastest flying bird? A. Peregrine falcon. Which animal has the strongest sense of smell? B. Bloodhound. What is the largest bird of prey? C. Steller's sea eagle. Which animal is known for its unique ability to change its body color? A. Chameleon. What is the smallest reptile in the world? D. Brucacia micra. Which bird lays the largest egg? C. Ostrich. What is the largest amphibian in the world? A. Chinese giant salamander. Which animal has the longest lifespan? B. Tortoise. What is the smallest fish in the world? B. Pedocyprus. Which bird is known for its unique ability to fly backwards? A. Hummingbird. What is the largest invertebrate on Earth? C. Colossal squid. Which animal has the strongest shell? A. Tortoise. what is the smallest insect in the world? A. Fairy flea.